Rooster over for a ride. He hasn't been for a while. He's a bit of a noob. He's going to have all kinds of fun. We'll show him some trails at Albert County Trailblazer Club. I'm riding the Maverick X3 DS 2026. And he's riding the Outlander MAX XT. I'm definitely a big fan of the Scandi Blue and the Orange Crush. Super cool. Can't wait to ride the Maverick. It's always a lot of fun to take it out. As always, thanks to our awesome friend Jen Landry, and as always, thanks to Torque Motorsports for letting us do this. We really appreciate it. And remember, guys, if the women don't find you handsome, they should at least find you on a Can-Am.
That's true. Get the donuts and go up and find them. All right, we're here. Oh yeah, you can tell we're here right there. I know. We're getting it all ready to go. We're getting ready here. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, you're gonna ride with Bracket Boy. Spencer's gonna lead this party. I'm gonna follow Spenny. Yep. We gotta reach in for that red strap, remember? You pull that, you get in this way, bud. Here we go. Getting you buckled up. We got to get you buckled up, bro. Oh, the crew's all getting ready here. All getting ready. Getting ready here. I got to go put on my helmet and jacket and get ready to ride. Let's go, bud. Okay, so we headed out onto the Albert County Trails, Club 32, headed towards the hideout, and then to Chalet, and finally out to Salisbury for some... there he goes. The X3 is awesome, guys. And headed out to Salisbury for some lunch. We're going to cross Turtle Creek Bridge at one point and Trestle Bridge. It was just a great day for riding. Nice and wet, you can see that. The puddles were deep, muddy, fun, slick. Beautiful fall day, late fall day, just beautiful. Okay, so I'm on the Outlander here, the XT 850 Max. I got to be a little careful because I was really just trying to record with my phone. But I wanted you to get a feel. This thing just is such a great ride. I mean, I haven't ridden in 30 years, guys, and this thing it carried me down the trails like I was on a pillow. It was amazing. And some beautiful scenery on the way out there. These silver birch trees. Oh yeah, open her up a little bit. Even 50, it's not crazy, but oh, and here we come up to Turtle Creek Bridge now. Yeah, Turtle Creek Bridge. There you go, wow. See the reservoir and everything over there. How's it going, Georgie? Better? Better in here, sitting like an old man, eh? Legs crossed. It is, look, he's got the legs crossed. Looking good. Oh yeah, the Turtle Creek Bridge. Rooster's right here. Got Brack over there.
That's the dam right there. That's the spillway, obviously. Dam's right there. The reservoir's right behind it.
Nice.
Isn't that cool though?
Wicked cool, man. Gosh, what a good day.
So cool.
What a good day, bro.
And train uses right over this.
Train uses the bridge? How does it do that?
Used to drive over.
Okay, so we're back out on the trail here. We're again headed towards Salisbury. Here comes Mrs. Brack with my boy. And that cool slow-mo shot there as they come through. And then behind, there comes Brack in the X3 Turbo RR. What a beautiful machine. So nice. We're just going to show you some footage now of this thing ripping. And there she goes. Enjoy. See it? Make it look like it's all smoking, you know? My boy over here. Look at my boy. Dude, Uncle Sean is getting you dirty and wet, bro. He's gonna clean your glasses. Hang on, you want them up for a sec? I'll come around to you, bud. Don't worry, they're gonna clean he's gonna clean you up. Uncle Sean drives crazy, doesn't he? I think Uncle Sean drives crazy, getting all wet, bro. Oh, looking good. All right, we're just on our way to Geese. We're getting it ready. This is fun stuff, man. Okay, so we stopped there quick at the hideout and cleaned up our goggles, and then we hit right back on the trails towards Geese Chalet. You can see she was a beautiful day, beautiful ride. Oh, there's what she looks like. She got a little bit dirty after. How's my boy Georgie doing in the Maverick there? Did you actually enjoy it or what? You had a nice nap? And now you're ready. Like only George can sleep. Look at the mud on this thing. Only Georgie can sleep in the middle of going through the city holes, and now he's ready to party. Yeah, we do. There's Mrs. Brack cleaning everything up for us. As usual.
Brack did an awesome job driving.
She did a great job. And she also did a great job picking up after you. Yeah. There we go. So we all made it. Spenny did a nice job leading. What I can tell you is, oh my God, that was the most ride. That Outlander is sick. It's very active out here today. It looks like a, what has he got? A razor. We made it to Guy Chalet.
Actually, this is a beaver dam, and actually, that's the beaver right there.
Is he telling the truth?
Yeah, he is. Look at that big, see how it's all piled up like a big mound, a teepee?
He lives inside there.
So you know,
He swims underneath the water and swims up inside.
so right by Guy Chalet here.
Isn't that neat, Georgie? I remember the first time I came.
What a beautiful Sunday.
This was my favorite. This is my favorite, one of my favorite spots to come to the beaver dam. So cool.
Well, it's all that extra water is because of the beaver. He needs it so he can swim in it. Yeah, man. Filming everybody here at Guy Chalet. Well, what do we say, Georgie? We say, oh, thanks there, Brack, for getting us out here. Thanks to Brack Jr. for leading the way out. Good job, buddy. Okay, so this is Trestle Bridge. It's a pretty cool bridge. It heads into Salisbury where we were headed for lunch. And it's so cool to drive across, actually. It looks like an old rail bridge. I mean, check it out. It's pretty awesome. Definitely time for some lunch. Made it to Salisbury. Here we are, ready for some lunch.
And I'll put my gloves on.
All right, buddy boy, let's go in and get ourselves some lunch at the old.
Man, they got great poutine here.
Okay, so we had ourselves a delicious lunch. I did get the poutine, shared it with my boy. I'm gonna get a link for the restaurant and I'll put it in the description so you guys can check it out if you happen to be out that way. And after our delicious lunch, it was off to the petrol station to fuel up, and then it's time to hit the road and head on back home. Once again, Brack Jr. was leading the way. We waited for the traffic to clear and then we headed up the road. You gotta go a little bit on the actual roadway here for just a short spell, and then you're back up onto the trail when you come into Salisbury off that trail. So I have a map. I should link that up too. We'll see if I get to that. At any rate, we're back on the trail now and we're headed towards home. One more look at the Trestle Bridge and then we'll be on to cleanup. Okay, so we're going back across the Trestle Bridge here. Take another look at this bridge. This is a really cool bridge. It's late in the day. The sun's making awesome shadows on an awesome bridge, on an awesome ride. And of course I got a little extra for you, because you can't get to the end of the video without a little bit more of the Maverick X3 Turbo RR, 200 horsepower. This is where I say thanks to Brack. What a super wicked ride it was today. Jen Landry, Torque Motorsports, letting us ride these wicked machines. Brack for putting it all together and taking us out here. Awesome, thanks buddy. And remember, if the women don't find you handsome, they should at least find you on a Can-Am. It's true. Oh my gosh, this is the aftermath of a day well spent. Oh my gosh, it was so much fun. Oh my goodness, the 850 MAX XT Outlander, outstanding. This thing is fantastic. fantastic. So comfortable to ride, so easy to ride, so much power, and so much fun. Wow. Outstanding. This is the best part of riding with Brack is now I go get my son, get home for supper, and well, he's gonna wash all this up. Thanks, Brack.
Sure.
Be sure to thank Jen for me. Jen Landry at Torque Motorsports for what an awesome weekend ride that was. Thanks to both you and Torque. Oh, it's raining. What the heck, man? Where did that come from? I thought it was sunny skies. Look at these machines. They definitely need a clean up.
XT, you need the bottom half doors.
Yeah, I know. She started.
Highly recommended.
Highly recommended to shoot you from the waist up so I don't see you in your undershorts. Oh, that's one getting clean.
Fiery red Outlander. Fiery red for Rooster.